find out what it would be like if you lived here.
Hi, Judy.
Hi, Judy.
Welcome to Shaw. Have you been to Shaw before?
Oh, yes.
We have.
Okay, great. Well, what I love about Shaw is that not only is trendy, it respects what was here before. You had Black Broadway, you had the Lincoln Theater, you had Howard Theater,
Yes.
you had Duke Ellington, Billie Holiday,
Ella.
Louis Armstrong, Nat
Yeah.
King Cole,
Yeah.
which kind of brings us to this amazing community, which is Poet Place.
So tell us why this is named Poet Place.
The developer took a stab to basically respect and celebrate the artistic history of Shaw. You'll see this mural, they commissioned it just for this building, for this hallway, so have fun.
Oh, I see what you guys are talking
Wow,
about.
what a beautiful statement piece.
It really fits with Poet Place.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
I've always loved U Street.
Hey, remember that time?
Oh, I remember that time. Ooh, very nice.
Very nice.
Okay,
Very nice.
so I'm drawn down here, but I see this must be one of 2 bedrooms, but we'll do that on our way home.
Yeah, so this is the first bathroom.
This is the first
and
bedroom.
it's big enough to be a bedroom.
bedroom.
But you know, you could also put a lot of extra storage. You could put a cabinet here.
I think you could put a jacuzzi over there.
But guest bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. So this is the epitome of city living.
Oh, this is city living. And you know, I know the kitchen's right here.
Yes.
But just looking out the window from this view, it's like, oh my gosh, why would you want to cook?
Who needs to cook?
I'm gonna eat right there.
So here's the trend that we've been seeing now recently. It's these thin quartz cabinets. They're only...
They're really growing on me.
Yeah.
This, I bet, is the fridge. Look at that.
That's a Bosch refrigerator. That's really nice
Oh, but I
counter
love the
depth.
style. I mean, I love the way they blended it in. Why do you need a pantry when you probably be just going out all the time?
Amen to that. Because right outside these windows, it's all happening here. Because we're at 9th and U Street. They're, Michelin-rated restaurants.
Ooh, and don't forget, the best half smoke in town is right around the corner.
And we've learned that you split them and burn them. That's the way to have a half smoke.
Oh, stop it, you're making me hungry.
Me too.
Let's go check out the bedroom.
Let's go get a half smoke.
Oh.
And the owner's bedroom suite.
Again, it's that nice urban vibe.
Well, you have this huge floor-to-ceiling window, so
And you have a great shot
you
of
get
this.
up in the morning, you're like, "Good morning, Shaw."
Nobody wants to see
Wait.
that early.
Hey, there's Bob and his dog. Hey, Bob. It'd be my morning routine every day.
It's all right. You give the
Every day
neighbors
that
a
would be-
break.
yeah.
Yes.
Here we are in the owner's bathroom.
Right. You know, I have to say, I love the sinks. I
me
love
too.
the style.
Can we talk about the toilet?
right.
This is very high tech. This is
It
very
is, it
European.
is.
Alrighty. So the only thing left is
the second bedroom.
second bedroom, which
Oh, it's a nice size.
yeah,
And it's got this great window for natural light.
sure does.
Oh,
a lot
well-
of light coming in.
It's a lot of light, but you actually have a nice view of the air conditioning.
Yeah, you sure do. That's what blinds are for.
That's true.
Last but not least,
Washer and dryer, and that's
big
a
washer
big
and
washer
a dryer. Big closet for it
Wow, I can invite my friends over to do laundry.
too. You could do
be
like
charging
it could be your side hustle. Yeah, Tina's laundry
Laundry
service. All right, city condo.
Well, this is gonna be tough. I'm thinking of a listing price, and I love this place.
Well, all I'm thinking about is prices from 20 years ago when all my friends lived here.
I'm just thinking of your wardrobe from 20 years
It's
ago.
the same.
Still. Hey, Judy.
Hello, welcome back. What did you think?
I'll tell you, it's all location, location, location.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, do you have any questions about it?
Yes, especially being in a downtown location. How about parking?
There isn't parking. It's important, of course, to a lot of people, but now I don't get asked for it that much. A lot of people do want to know about walkability, and they
Yes.
do want to know about Metro. And this, of course, is just top of the charts
Yeah.
when it comes to that.
Okay, well, I think I'm raring to go.
Well, I know you're raring to go, but I have one more question. How about the condo fees?
530
Okay, that's not bad.
That's fine, but that's
Yeah.
a big space.
Yeah.
for, it's 1,139 square
Yep.
feet.
Okay.
2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Obviously, it has a lot of beautiful high-end features.
Sure enough.
As you saw, it's got Caesar stone, quartz countertop,
Caesar stone,
That's
that's what it
really
was.
what.
floor-to-ceiling Windsor windows.
Well, it's quiet up there.
Right. You know, it's built for its location.
I'm going to come in at $799,000.
Good guess.
All right.
So do I go for 775 or do I go for 825? That's the question. I'm going to go for,
Yes.
I'll go big or go home. I'll go for 825. Final answer.
All right. Final answer.
You're confident. I love that.
I-
You're just like 825.
I have to say, these are both really impressively close. And the actual listing price is $829,000.
You were almost spot on.
That's pretty
I'm gonna say one of these
Is that like your 9th Street dance?
Well, it's my U and Ninth. It's called the U and Ninth. All the kids are doing it.